Here's what you need to make a wet mount slide. A glass slide, a cover slip, whatever your specimen is. This time it's a piece of paper with some letters on it, and you're gonna need some water from the tap. So we take our E, our word, and we put it on the paper. Put it in the middle. We want the cover slip to go on top, but that's not going to stick. We don't want to use glue, so we're going to use water to hold the cover slip down. So we turn our tap on, and then we turn our tap off, and we get some drips of water. There we go. So we've got some drips. Kind of want to straighten our E out. Come on, baby. There. And then we put our cover slip on, start on an angle, and then drop her down. Give her a little tap. There's some extra water, which we really don't want on our microscope. So we hold the paper towel over, tap it, and we have a wet mount slide of our word, and if I turn it upside down, it doesn't fall off.